Okay guys, I'm working on my railroad right now, but look what's happening. You probably cannot see it, but oh gosh, it is snowing like really hard. I'm not kidding. See if you see the trampoline. Look at that snow coming from up there. Look at my track and the landscaping cloth. It's got snow all over it. Okay guys, I'm done. It's 3 o'clock now. From there, all the way from the trestle, and you know the trestle over there has been ballasted. I'm finally finished, and you know I got the last tie right here. As you can see, I kind of made some space for the last tie. You know, I'll have to throw some ballast on there after, but I got the last tie, and you know it's super exciting. And for the last tie, I signed my tie and then put today's date 10/30/20. And by the time this railroad is gone, you know, ripped out, it'll probably be gone. But you know, I just wanted to. There we go. I'm gonna put the last screws, and you know, in for my railroad. And I've been waiting for this for a while, so I don't like these screws. I had different screws. Here, I'll show you. See, these screws right here have the little drill thing right here, which I don't like because it doesn't like just go in. It's like a guide, but I don't really like it. Gosh, this one's not wanting to go in. Okay, I didn't get that one in, but you know, I'm just gonna screw the other ones in while I'm waiting for that one. There's one, complete. Here's the second one. Okay, we got these two in. Okay, here is the last. Okay, here's the next one. There we go. Oh, it's finished. Boom! Signed my name on the last tie, and just take some of the rocks that I took out. Oh, it feels so good to be done. That last tie is in. Okay guys, I'm finished. Oh gosh. It was a very exciting day for me. And yeah, I don't know what to say. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you later guys. Bye bye.